Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the score.
Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go ahead and do another clean with me video. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button and that little notification bell if you guys enjoy my video. Also giving me a thumbs up just to let me know that you guys enjoy these videos and what I put out. That really helps me out. And today we're going to be cleaning kind of all over the house in different areas and deep cleaning in areas that I only do like every couple months. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys get tons of motivation, and if you have any comments or questions, always just ask me down in the comments. I love talking to you guys there, and I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend.
Over me, we got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
So I did get some new products from Grove Collaborative, and so I'm just kind of putting those things away. I did record a video to put on my IG stories, or not my IG stories, but my IGTV, and I haven't quite uploaded it yet, so I will be uploading that so you can kind of see what I got from Grove.
Where you wanna go, stars align under your face, pretty sweet is how it tastes, make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you, I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, we got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got everything, sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle,
I use the 7th generation dishwashing soap, and this is a little bit newer product that they're carrying that I'm trying out, and so far I really like it. It gets my dishes nice and clean and shiny, and everything comes off of them.
watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We
So right
got
now I am doing a quick clean with the Clorox wipes. It really helps save time and just get everything nice and deep clean.
we got everything.
So this is a newer product that I'm using. It's the Mrs. Meyer's Glass Cleaner. I don't really care for the smell. It is in the scent lavender, but it doesn't smell like an amazing lavender to me at all. But it does an okay job, and I'm going to keep using it, and I'll let you guys know soon how I've been liking it.
We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge.
So I'm going to go ahead and use the Caldrea countertop spray. I absolutely love this scent. I'm almost out of it, and I am using that just on kind of the cleaner tables just to kind of leave a nice scent behind and get them dusted.
Push, slam, through, stand. We're hurting, but we're just too scared.
So now we're going to go ahead and kind of clean up the stairs, get them vacuumed. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the railing there and just get it all clean and looking all white again. So what I did is I went ahead and soaked my microfiber towel. This microfiber towel is actually from Grove Collaborative. It's their brand and it works amazing. When I wring it out, I just see all of the dirt going down the sink. So I just went ahead and got it drenched with soapy water, and then I'm also using a multi-surface cleaner, and it just did an amazing job. I also did that with the baseboards. I do have a magic eraser that I use a little bit throughout this video, but my magic erasers, they fall apart. They are the ones from Dollar Tree. I have a lot of them and they work okay. They get like, you know, marks off the wall and stuff. But when I'm trying to really scrub somewhere that has like dust buildup, it doesn't do a good job. It just kind of breaks apart. So that's why I'm using the towel instead.
You, what's up, what's going on? Simple truth, I'm low, let's get it on. Touching the stars, touching the stars. Dancing, 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 feel like dancing in the
So now we're going to go ahead and clean the kids' bathroom. This is just the upstairs bathroom in the hallway between the kids' rooms. So typically Isaiah, my oldest, he does clean his own bathroom, but I wanted to give it a deeper clean, so that's what I'm doing here.
What's going on? Simple truth, I'm low, let's get it on.
I'm using the tub and tile cleaner, and this is what I have been using for a while. I'm almost out of it, so I am going to purchase something else. If you guys have any recommendations on tub and tile cleaner that you guys enjoy, let me know down below.
Dancing, 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 feel like dancing in the spotlight. Depending on you. Depending.
So I decided I was going to go ahead and take off the shower curtain today and go ahead and give that a wash too. So I went ahead and I tried out these fabric sheets. This brand is actually at the Dollar Tree, well, some Dollar Trees, and they carry the laundry detergent, which smells amazing, but you can't find it everywhere. So I saw these fabric sheets over at Target and I went ahead and picked some up, and I really like how they smell.
Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now. After staring holes in all my walls, don't you cut me off like you did that time. Once was already enough, I'd say, but I wonder if you hear me.
So now that everything was clean and dried, I went ahead and put everything back in the bathroom. I'm all done with today. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video, got lots of motivation, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.